Dito na naman kami sa
HNR Block.
NR Block sa tax ni Mike. Nagbabayad na naman ng $350 sa tax niya. Kaya sa tax return niya o sa tax, I do not know. There is the road. There is the HR block. There is the road that we are here now in Paw Paw, Michigan. In Paw Paw, Michigan. It's a beautiful day. Look. Look, the bird singing. The cloud, the sky, and the road. Oh Lord. Ologil. Thank you. Sana magustuhan nyo yung aking kaunting video.